In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a stop loss and take profit on Axiom Trade. Now, this is an updated guide which works in 2025, and I hope this video will help you out. So, the first thing you'll need is an Axiom Pro account. There's actually a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check that out. It's really worth it. Now, to actually set a stop loss and take profit, it's not that hard. You want to go to polls over here, and then you first want to find a coin you would like to trade. So over here, I'm just going to click on a random coin. Of course, do your research before you actually buy into a coin. So I'm just going to go for this one, a random one. And then over here on the right, as you can see, if you go to market limit or advanced, you can't really see stop loss and take profit. So what you have to do is under buy over here, where you can see your slippage, your priority, and then bribe fees, you can see it says advanced trading strategy. Click on that, check market, and then click on add. Over here, as you can see, you have the two options we were looking for, which are stop loss and take profit. So you can click on, for example, stop loss, and then your stop loss will be added, and then on take profit, and the take profit will be added as well. And over here, you can just set, of course, the amounts and the percentages, and then after that, your stop loss and take profit will be applied on any coin that you're trying to buy over here. Of course, you can delete that if you don't want it anymore, and then you can just basically alter between. So if you want it, you can add it. If you don't want it, you basically can just delete it and remove it like this. So that's pretty much it. That's how you set a stop loss and take profit on Axiom Trade. As I said, if you want to use this platform, it's one of the best meme coin trading platforms that currently exists. So yeah, there's a link down below in the description. Grab your 10% fees reduction with my link. So that's pretty much that. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.